In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project on a QuickBooks invoice. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or you've been using it for a while, adding projects to your invoices can really streamline your accounting process. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the Sign In button conveniently placed at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it right there. After entering your details, click on Sign In. Now that you're in your QuickBooks dashboard, you'll want to locate the Projects tab. It's easily accessible and you can click on it to proceed. This section of QuickBooks is incredibly useful for organizing and managing your client projects, so it's worth getting familiar with. Once you're in the Projects section, you'll notice a button that says New Project. Clicking on this will allow us to start setting up the project you wish to add to your invoice. Now, you'll need to add the project name. Choosing a descriptive name is beneficial for both you and your clients as it makes the tracking much easier. Next, you'll be asked to add your customer's details. If your customer is already in your records, QuickBooks will offer an autofill option which can save you some time. If not, make sure you've got their details handy to enter them manually. Following that, you'll be required to fill in the rest of your project details. This could include anything pertinent to the project that you or your client might find handy. Ensure that all necessary information is filled in meticulously to avoid confusion later down the line. Finally, when you're happy with all the details you've entered and everything looks correct, simply click on the Save button. And that's it, your project is now added to QuickBooks, and you'll be able to easily include this information on your invoices when billing your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these simple steps, you can keep your QuickBooks organized and efficient, which can really help with managing your business finances. If you have any further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out or look through QuickBooks' comprehensive support resources. Happy invoicing!